Good evening, my YouTube family and friends. It's me, Larry from LJ's Unboxing, and this is another unboxing video. Well, unbagging. Not really unboxing. This is something from eBay. Now, I bought something else, which was the Umidigi G2 tab. I'm not going to say how much I paid for it, but I will say that half of it was actually refunded since I did the review on this. Since I reviewed the tablet for Umidigi, they gave me back half the money that I spent. And with that, I was actually able to buy this. This right here is a tablet, I think. I know it is, and this, I'm getting mad. So, as you see, packaging from hell, doesn't want to let go. And then this. So, what did my refund from eBay get me? It's horribly packaged, stupid people. It's an iPad. So it's basically a replacement to one that I own and I can't find, so that I can actually update my Apple Watch. And I'm positive this will do it. So let's unwrap. Ready to burn at the stake. Oh look, it is an iPad 3. So, I've heard good things about iPad 3s. Get off. I've heard bad things about iPad 3. But, still. I mean, for less money than I paid for my other tablet, I mean, it's worth it, I guess. And yeah, there's some marks on it. I guess that's the speaker grill. And up here we have, I'm assuming that's the power button. That's the volume up and down rocker. There's is that a stylus or is that a headphone jack? That's a headphone jack. Yeah, and you see there's a little carnage going on here. But all things considered, I guess that is the mute button. Yeah, that's to mute. And here we go. That is, I don't know, charging port? Maybe that is it's supposed to be the port for, or the SIM tray that's supposed to be included. And it's not included. So, this is supposed to be an LTE model. And I just noticed it's on. So, whoever set it up, they set it up without my knowledge. So, needless to say, yeah, it's unlocked. So, I'm going to have to sign in as me. But yeah, there is a lot of damage around the frame. Y'all see right there. It's going to be a question of whether I actually can use it to update my Apple Watch. Because it looks like, yeah, and I don't even see how that works. So whatever that is, if it's volume button, I don't know. So, with that said, I will have to figure out more about it. Until I can figure out what's up with it, this is just the unboxing video anyway. And as always, if you enjoyed what you've seen, liked what you watched, click the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, click the bell icon so you can be notified when I make another video. And hopefully you'll subscribe. Not going to tell you to subscribe, although it would be highly appreciated. Until next time, it's Larry from LJ's Unboxing saying peace, love, and understanding. Yes, I love that song. Peace.